Hello, my name is Katavius Farmer, and I'm here today to show y'all how to do complex numbers. So first you're going to have 6 plus 3i under I minus 2. What you're going to do, you got to create your formula, which is a plus bi. When you have a plus bi, you're going to you already have 6 plus 3i, which is the same thing as a plus bi, because 6 is a plus 3 is going to be b, and you're going to have I. So what you're going to do, you're going to bring that over. You're going to have 6 plus 3i times, so your denominator. Your denominator is written out wrong. It's I minus 2. And it's supposed to be a plus bi. So what you're going to do first, you're going to make I minus 2 is negative 2 plus I. So when you do that, you have to redo it again. You got to make negative 2 minus I. Then you're going to bring it over. You're going to put negative 2 minus I. So your whole problem for numerator is going to be 6 plus 3i times negative 2 minus I. Your denominator problem is going to be I minus 2 times negative 2 plus I. So numerator, 6 plus 3i is equal to, 6 plus 3i times negative 2 minus I. So now you got to do your your box method, which is when you do your box method, negative 2 times 6 is going to give you negative 12. So you're supposed to use negative 2 times 6. So negative 2 times 6 is going to give you negative 12. Negative I times 6 is going to give you negative 6. Negative 2 times 3i is going to give you negative 6i. Negative I times 3i is going to give you negative 3i. When you do that, you're going to take everything out the box. You're going to take everything out the box and you're going to have to add it. So negative 12 plus negative 6 plus negative 6i plus negative 3i. So once you have negative 3i, you have to start adding. So you're going to bring down your negative 12, bring down negative 6, but your negative 6, and you have negative 6i. Wait, no. Okay, so you'll bring down your negative 12, and you're going to bring down your negative 6. Negative 6 plus negative 3 is going to give you, negative 6 plus 3 is going to give you a negative 9i. Then you're going to bring down negative 12 plus, you're going to bring down negative 6, and then you got to make that I into a 1. You're going to bring it down to a 1. So then you're going to bring down negative 12, so negative 12 plus negative 6 is going to give you a negative 18. So negative 18 and negative 9 times negative 1 is going to give you a positive 9. So negative 18 plus 9 is going to give you a negative 9. Then you bring down your denominator. Your denominator is going to be 1. You're going to be parentheses 1, negative 2. Not 1, but I, negative 2, parentheses, negative 2 plus I. You're going to do your box method again, which is going to be negative 2 times I, which is going to give you 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is going to give you 4. I times negative 2 is going to give you negative 2. So then you take that out the box. Take that out the box. And you're going to get, once you take that out the box, you're going to get 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus negative 2. Add that up, 2, bring down the 2. You'll add 1 plus 4, which is supposed to be 5. No, that's an I, okay. So 2 plus I plus -4. I mean -2. So when you do that, 6 plus 2, you're going to get 4. -6 plus 2 is going to give you 4. No, -2, not -6. And it's going to give you a -9 over 4. Alright, so this is part 2 of the question that I was supposed to do from the project for Miss King. So you're going to have 8 plus 4i. Under it is going to be I minus 2. So, your formula is going to be A plus BI. So when your formula is A plus BI, you go ahead and bring 8 plus 4i over because it's already set in the formula. But your denominator is not set in your formula, which is I minus 2. Because it's set like that, it's supposed to be set as A plus BI. So you gotta have to reset it, which is -2 plus I. And you're gonna have -2 minus I. So now you bring that over, you put that in parentheses, which is your numerator is gonna be set as 8 plus 4i parentheses times -2i minus I parentheses. Denominator is going to be set as I minus 2 parentheses times -2 plus I parentheses. Your first problem is going to be your numerator, which is 8 plus 4i times -2 minus I. You're going to set your box up. When you set your box back up, what you're going to do, you're going to set your box up, and then you're going to do -2 times 8, which is going to give you a -16. -2 times 4 is going to give you a -8i. I times 4 is going to give you a -4i. Then you got I times 8, which is going to give you a -8. Take that out your box. Then you're going to put, when you take everything out the box, it's going to be set up like this. -16 plus -8 plus -8i plus -4i. Then you solve it. You bring down the -16, but you also have -8. So you bring that down. Then, but you got also now you got -8i plus -4i. So what you're gonna do? You're gonna bring that down. It's gonna equal -12i squared. You bring down -16. Plus bring down -8 plus bring down -12, but you have to divide it, not divide it, but times it times 1. When you times it times 1, it's going to be -16 plus -8 plus 12. And when you solve it, -16 plus -8 is going to equal -25. Not 25. Hold on. Gotta check math. I'm back. So it's supposed to be -24. So when you do -24 plus 11 is gonna give you -12. Alright, so now you got your denominator spot. Your denominator problem is gonna be I minus 2 times -2 plus I. You do your box method, which is -2 times I is going to give you -2. So when you do that, you're going to do -2 times -2 is going to give you a -2i. I mean 4. Positive 4. So when you do that, you're going to do I times -2. It's going to give you a -2i. You're going to do I times I is going to give you I squared. So when you come over here, you're going to do -2 plus I squared plus 4 plus -2i. Then that's going to equal -2. -2 times -1 squared plus 4 plus -2i. -2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus -2i. Then that's going to equal negative 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus negative 2 times 1 again. Then you're going to do negative 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2, negative 2 plus 5 plus 2. Then you're going to equal that. 3 plus 2, which is going to give you 5. Then you're going to come over. Negative, you're going to have 12. You're going to have 12 plus, you're on 12 under 5. You could divide 12 into 6, which is going to give you 2/5 because you can bring it 5 over. When you have that, you're going to equal it. You're going to divide 2 and 5, 2/5, which is going to equal to 1/2. Thank you.